Buongiorno, Mirka. Hello, it's a pleasure to be here with Mirka Wilderer, CEO of the Nora Water Technologies.
Buongiorno.
So, the Nora's purpose is to deliver sustainable solutions created together with its partners of choice through continual improvement of its products. More specifically, the Nora is committed to working toward the replacement of fossil fuels with renewable energy sources and toward the accessibility of clean water. These topics are very attractive to energetic and motivated talents.
Yes, it excites people to be part of the Nora team on this exciting journey.
So now that you've been with the Nora for a year, can you tell me something about your experience?
Yes, sure. It's hard to believe that it has already been 1 year since I joined Nora. I guess time flies when you're having fun. And it's been such an incredible, rewarding, and energizing year for sure. It's a great honor to be part of a company that has a legacy of almost 100 years. I love to hear the success stories of our partners over the years, how we collaborate with our customers, driven by our ethical commitments to promote long-term sustainability. My choice of joining Nora was quite closely related to my personal purpose in life. That is to lead business transformation by supporting and tapping into the individual strengths and talents of each employee to generate sustainable benefits for the greater good of society. Like so many of my friends and colleagues, especially here at Nora, it is extremely important for me to have a positive impact on society, the world we live in, and the future of our planet. I had an incredible role model in my life, my father, who inspired me to take care of one of the world's most precious resources, that is water. And it is up to me now to live up to these expectations, as well as to become a role model for the next generation of water professionals. To me, taking care of our planet Earth is what makes the difference between just having a job and making an impact and contributing to something that truly matters. That's what keeps me going. And at Nora, I have all the amazing opportunities to drive lasting impact.
I understand that sustainability is very close to your heart. So at the Nora we say that sustainability is not just a responsibility, but is part of our purpose. Can you elaborate? How does this apply to the Nora Water Technologies?
Yes, it is in the heart. So as we refined the strategy for the Nora Water Technologies last year, sustainability is truly in the heart of what we do. In particular, it shows in 3 different dimensions. First, in our investment strategy, the Nora is committed in investing in clean technologies and water technologies. It also shows in our innovation strategy. As the Nora Water Technologies, we are targeting to do more with less. We're using our resources to develop innovative technologies that drive economic value while using fewer natural resources and less energy, not to mention the digitization process. Nora is also committed to the environment. At Nora, we're committed to improving our customers' environmental performance by developing and implementing technologies that help to reduce their operating costs, increase their process efficiencies, and improve the environmental footprint of their systems. As you know, Nora Water Technologies has been developing solutions to deliver safe and effective treatment of water for over 60 years. The Capital Controls Organization, as an example, was established as an innovative way to safely manage chlorine for the safe disinfection of drinking water. At that time, this had never been done before, and to this day, it still remains the design standard for gas feed systems globally. That is what we want to continue, drive innovative solutions for our customers to sustainably treat water.
This is very interesting. Can you give a couple of examples?
Absolutely, yes. One of the key products in our portfolio is ChlorTech. Among the advantages it delivers to our customers, it is energy efficient based on the technology of an on-site sodium hypochlorite generation. This goes back to the technological innovations driven by our founding father, Oroncio de Nora. He dedicated his life to the development of systems that generate disinfectant on-site via an electrochemical process using safe and commonly available consumables, salt, water, and electricity. Nora has continually evolved the product over the decades, together with the patented DSA electrodes developed and produced by our sister business, Nora Electrodes Technologies. These innovative electrodes, together with the process knowledge of our team at Nora Water Technologies, allows to offer equipment with higher efficiency, easier to operate, and smaller modular systems. The third generation of Chlortech systems, the Chlortech DN Gen 3, was released at the end of last year. This system features a smaller footprint with improved control systems, and that results into substantial reduction in energy use. And as a bonus, reduced costs for our customer too. The Nora knowledge in electrochemistry and the improvements of the total cost of ownership of Cheklo and Chlortech systems are making it possible in the large scale to adopt to on-site chlorine gas and or sodium hypochlorite generation to reduce the risk associated with the necessity of disinfection, such as CO2 footprint, the use of plastics, transportation of hazardous chemicals, all this granting a sustainable route to clean water.
So you recently joined in the American Water Summit CEO panel that was focused on leadership for a sustainable America. Can you tell me about that experience and why you were excited to participate?
Absolutely. It was a great honor to be part of the CEO panel at the American Water Summit and discuss the role and impact of the sustainability with some of the fellow CEOs in the water space. It was very interesting and, in fact, inspiring to witness that while the companies represented all on the panel were all competitors that battle for market share every day, we all agreed on the bigger role and leadership we have to take as the leaders of the key companies in the water space to drive sustainability and have an impact on the planet. Topics we discussed range from the various technologies we offer and how these enable our customers to treat water sustainably, the ways we are running our companies in a sustainable way, trying to do more with less, and how considerations for sustainability impact our investment decisions. However, beyond that, we all recognize that beyond all these buzzwords, there is an impact on the greater society that we can accomplish if we work together, elevate the water space, become the thought leaders, and inspire our organizations to offer sustainable solutions. It was incredibly encouraging to be part of this group of leaders that looks to make a difference beyond profits and market share.
So it was very interesting to learn how everyone is committed towards sustainability. So where do you see this topic changing the future of how the Nora does business?
At the recent Business Roundtable, the CEOs were unified around the need for companies to adopt a more holistic view of success, one that includes all of society as stakeholders instead of the more traditional shareholder emphasis. In addition to the advancements in technology, the world is witnessing a disruptive change in organizational and operational principles. Organizations are moving away from hierarchies towards networks and teams of teams, building on the perspective of diverse team members. We observe trends towards less directing and more coaching to find the best possible solutions, less control and more empowerment of employees, less planning and more experimenting around the best solution, being nimble, dynamic, and diverse. And I can confirm that, at least here at Nora, we have a very lean, agile, dynamic, and fast-paced organization, where talents are given the chance to fully tap into their strengths and their talents as they help to shape the future. At Nora, we also prioritize business choices with the pursuit of being sustainable and environmentally friendly. We support the fulfillment of some of the key UN Sustainability Development Goals, and from the many conversations that I have with our colleagues, I know this is something that our employees appreciate and support. And then finally, when we are interviewing the next generation of water professionals, we notice that they're demanding a more diverse and purpose-driven environment. They share a passion for water and seek personal fulfillment for their work. I see in them the same driving forces that fuels my daily work.
Thank you so much, Mirka. So what's on tap for our next discussion?
Well, I'm looking forward to talking about a hot topic in our industry right now, digitization. Views, what's on your mind with digitization right now? Curious to hear about how De Nora is living into this concept? Not sure what it even means? Email us at info@dnwt.com and then tune in next time when we answer your questions.
Thank you so much, Mirka, for your time. It was great hearing all about this exciting news on sustainability and the Nora Water Technologies.
Thank you, Camilla.